Dividing space in 2-point perspective. This works the same way as in 1-point perspective. I will demonstrate. So I have one object here. I have another box guy over here. The edge of this guy is maybe closer to the side, and the edge of this guy is maybe close to middle, and because it's like below the horizon line, you should be able to see the top. So let's put in the top part about here. Now your perspective lines will be doing something like this. It'll meet your controlling line here and here, and those guys are meeting here. I feel like this is all I've been doing lately, just drawing a bunch of boxes and talking about boxes. It's okay. But you know, it's all about the basics, you know? So, what I was talking about before with dividing spaces, this is good for like, if you want to like, if you have a bunch of like details on your object, like, I don't know, doors or windows or control panel or whatnot, if you divide it like so, this will help to figure out, I should have completed this box. I think it's over there somewhere. This will help to figure out where exactly the details are. And when you like put it in perspective, it'll help to keep things in perspective. Now this would be going over here, so any details that are on this side would have to align with these perspective lines, and the same for this side. So now if you're to like, I don't know, put a door in here, you could use these, or a window. You could use like lines like that to make sure that the position and orientation and everything is correct, and it looks okay in that point perspective. It works the same way as it does in 1-point perspective.